Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by installing VS Code and the Live Server extension. Open your project folder in the editor right away. Create index, HTML, and paste a minimal HTML5 boilerplate so the document validates. Once done, save the file and check the Explorer to confirm files are present. Make sure to set UTF-8 encoding and enable autosave if you prefer. This gets you into a live editing loop fast, and it avoids wasted setup steps before you write any HTML. You now focus on building the page. Write semantic tags like header, main, nav, and footer to improve accessibility and structure. Use Emmet abbreviations for rapid markup expansion, for example div. Container OLI *3 to create lists fast. Once your HTML is present, start Live Server and position the browser next to the editor to observe hot reloads. Make sure to save files. Live Server reloads on save. This live feedback loop shows why you write small changes and test continuously. You finish by linking CSS and JS using correct relative paths and then test interactivity and layout. Open Browser Dev Tools to inspect elements, view console errors, and tweak styles live. This reveals issues faster than guessing. If something breaks, restart Live Server and check the status bar port, ensure no firewall blocks it, and confirm the extension is enabled. Once done, commit changes to version control for a clean history. This final pass secures your work and prevents regressions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.